Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. There is a group in Rivers State. They have given the governor 7 days to evict the 27 lawmakers who defected from the PDP to the APC from the government quarters. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you're new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, there is a group in Rivers State known as the Initiative for Transparent Strategy and Good Leadership, ITSGL. They has handed the governor of Rivers State, Simi Fubara, 7 days ultimatum to evict the embattled Nyesom Wike lawmakers who defected from the People's Democratic Party to the APC in 2023 December. And they say that if the governor does not do as they said in 7 days, they are going to take matters into their own hands. Now, the President General of the group, Chizi in Esquire, gave the ultimatum on Thursday, February 20, 2025, during a chat with newsmen on the ongoing crisis in Rivers State. They said that these people are the lawmakers that defected to APC, having lost their seat by virtue of their defection to the APC, that they have no right to be occupying the government quarters and from there be fomenting trouble, that the governor must evict them to ensure that there is peace in the state, that is what they should do. But I have examined this group and I think that whatever may be their good intentions, they should not take the laws into their hand, and the governor should not play into their hands by trying to evict those people. Already the Supreme Court will soon deliver a consolidated judgment in all the matters that has to do with the status of these lawmakers. So there is no point for self-help. So the governor must do everything possible to avoid those people taking laws into their own hands. If they want to do something like that, they need to be arrested, because they will cause more problem for the governor. The governor has a good case. Many Nigerians believe that he has been the victim of this crisis. So allowing any group of people under the guise of support to go and cause crisis is unacceptable. I think the governor should be wiser, and I'm sure, being a very wise politician, he is not going to fall into their trap. And these people should be told in clear terms that governorship election, that the status of those lawmakers will be determined by the court. Eventually, the Supreme Court will determine their status. So this is not time to play to the gallery or to play into the hands of those people. Because if those people make any move after the expiration of the 7 days, many people will believe that it was sponsored by the governor, and that doesn't look good. The governor should not be seen to pander to people like that. They don't mean well for him, no matter what supports they may claim they have for him. So the governor should not fall into their trap under any circumstance. And those people have no right to be issuing those kind of threat. Just allow them. They have been sitting there, but they are saying that the government quarters has not made any difference. The governor has been able to pass the 2024 budget. The governor has been able to pass the 2025 budget. The governor is running the states successfully. So why disturb yourself about them occupying the government? Let them occupy it. to avoid any stress until the final Supreme Court ruling on this matter. When the Supreme Court finally give their final verdict, then they must vacate. At that point in time, the governor don't need to tell them anything. They will vacate because their seat will be declared vacant. There will be an election to fill the vacant seats that they vacated since December 2023. I don't know what you think about this. What is your position on this 7 days ultimatum given to Fubara by this group? Let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video. So when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you and God bless you and yours.